Starting around 30 July 2023, Chilliz truly is exchanging at $0.079 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11%. In truly most recent 60 minutes, really in spite of mainstream thinking, CHZ in every practical sense has a really complete market cap of $558,959,376, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $33,868,614 in an unpretentious manner. This for the most part makes Chilliz, CHZ, beautiful positioning at 71 in the digital currency market in a truly significant manner. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023. What will Chilliz explicitly be exceptionally worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Chilliz an especially wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. Will CHZ cost most certainly outperform its untouched high? Which sort of is genuinely critical? These basically are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S' future. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost basically is supposed to especially cross a truly normal value level of $0.095. The normal sort of least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the truly current year ought to for the most part be $0.092 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, CHZ can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 11 cents. Chilliz value expectation July 2023. The cost of Chilliz basically is certainly anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach at a very least worth of $0.073 in July 2023. Showing how CHZ generally has a kind of complete market cap of $558,959,376, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $33,868,614 in an unpretentious manner. The CHZ cost could especially arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.083, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.081 all through 2023. Exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the very greatest cost for Chilliz could explicitly stretch around $0.087, or so they truly thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in August 2023 for the most part is $0.080, with a really normal cost of $0.083. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.084 and $0.092 in an exceptionally enormous manner, while the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.087 in a genuinely huge manner. Chilliz value conjecture October 2023. The extremely normal cost of Chilliz, CHZ, could explicitly go to $0.090 toward the finish of October 2023, in an especially significant manner. CHZ could in every practical sense be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $0.096, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.086 in an unpretentious manner. CHZ value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Chilliz generally is gauged to by and large be at around a very least worth of $0.090, which generally is genuinely huge. The Chilliz value worth can fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 10 cents, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.093 in United States dollars in an exceptionally significant way. Chilliz, CHZ, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Chilliz basically is anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.095, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 11 cents and at least $0.092. Chilliz sort of past value examination. In the all things considered recent hours, the crypto basically has been especially diminished by 0.6% in its really current worth in a sort of large manner. Assuming we by and large think about the really current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap especially is additionally down showing how in the event that we especially look at the ongoing business sector cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap is likewise down, which generally is genuinely huge. Chilliz sort of is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins in an unpretentious way. The CHZ certainly is down to nearly 1.54% in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days in an in every way that really matters enormous way. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for especially past for the most part couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have kind of solid essentials at the same time. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment, exhibiting how this by and large makes Chilliz, CHC, exceptionally positioning at 71 in the digital currency market, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of CHC generally diminished by 43.757%, disposing of an astounding pretty typical amount of $0.061 from its extremely current worth, which in a real sense shows that Chilliz, CHC, value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Chilliz really is truly anticipated to by and large arrive at a typical cost of $0.095, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of 11 cents and a truly least of $0.092. Chilliz fundamentally passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been in a real sense diminished by 0.6% in its truly current worth in an essentially enormous manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be an excellent in every practical sense purchase a valuable open door for extremely fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 42.94%. And the cost generally circled from a truly least especially normal cost of 13 cents to in every way that really matters, greatest essentially normal cost of 14 cents. In the sort of beyond 90 days in a fundamentally large manner, Chilliz is somewhere near 24.76%, with the exceptionally most extreme genuinely normal cost of the coin essentially was around 11 cents, and the very least lovely typical cost of in every practical sense was around 11 cents in by and large beyond 4 months, showing how these explicitly are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHC's future. Chilliz, CHC, value forecast 2023. As per the Chilliz conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $0.095, the normal in every practical sense least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be $0.092, which sort of is very huge.